The blue color of the sky is due to diffraction, reflection, polarization, scattering. The correct answer is option D. The blue color of the sky is due to scattering. The atomic bomb is based on the principle of radioactivity, fair, fusion reaction, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. The atomic bomb is based on the principle of fusion reaction. Light reaches the earth from sun in nearly 15 minutes, 10 minutes, 8 minutes, 8 minutes 30 seconds. The correct answer is option D. Light reaches the earth from sun in nearly 8 minutes 30 seconds. What is the SI unit of energy? Watt, joule, Newton, kilogram. The correct answer is option B. The SI unit of energy is joule. In the absence of the Earth's atmosphere, sky will appear blue, deep red, white, black. The correct answer is option D. In the absence of the Earth's atmosphere, sky would appear black. 1 inch is equal to 0.25 meter, 0.54 centimeter, 2.54 centimeter, 25.4 centimeter. The correct answer is option C. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. According to Einstein, light travels from one place to another in the form of waves, particles, photons, none of these. The correct answer is option C. According to Einstein, light travels from one place to another in the form of photons. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is called barometer, hygrometer, thermometer, altimeter. The correct answer is option A. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is called barometer. Ozone layer protects the earth from dash radiation from the sun, microwaves, infrared, X-rays, ultraviolet. The correct answer is option D. Ozone layer protects the earth from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The speed of light will be minimum while passing through water, vacuum, air, glass. The correct answer is option D. The speed of light will be minimum while passing through glass. What is the SI unit of electric energy? Ampere, coulomb, ohm, volt. The correct answer is option B. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb. Flight of a rocket in the space is an example of second law of motion, third law of motion, first law of motion, law of gravitation. The correct answer is option B. Flight of a rocket in the space is an example of third law of motion. Swimming is possible because of which law of motion? Second, first, third, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Swimming is possible because of third law of motion. Appearance of color in thin films is due to diffraction, dispersion, interference, polarization. The correct answer is option C. Appearance of color in thin film is due to interference. If the earth stopped rotating, the weight of objects at the equator would be greater, be the same as before, be less, vary with latitude. The correct answer is option A. If the Earth stopped rotating, the weight of the object at the equator will be greater. The relation between horsepower and watt is 1 horsepower is equal to 546 watts, 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts, 1 horsepower is equal to 1000 watt, 1 horsepower is equal to 946 watts. The correct answer is option B. The relation between horsepower and watt is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. The consumption of energy by a 60 watt bulb in 2 seconds is 120 joule, 60 joule, 30 joule, 0.02 joule. The correct answer is option A. The consumption of energy by a 60 watt bulb in 2 seconds is 120 joule. The velocity of sound is greatest in water, air, copper, ammonia. The correct answer is option C. The velocity of sound is greatest in copper. Which law of motion is also called law of inertia? First law, second law, third law, none of these. The correct answer is option A. First law of motion is also called law of inertia. Air bubble in water shines because of the phenomena of dispersion, total internal reflection, refraction, diffraction. The correct answer is option B. Air bubble in water shines because of the phenomena of total internal reflection. Looking at the mirror, you notice that your image appears enlarged. What type of mirror is this? Flat, concave, convex, none of these. The correct answer is option B, concave. Looking at the mirror, you notice that your image appears shorter. What type of mirror is this? Flat, concave, convex, none of these. The correct answer is option C, convex. Motorcycle safety helmet extend the time of collision, hence decreasing the chance of collision, force acting, velocity, impulse. The correct answer is option D. Motorcycle safety helmet extend the time of collision, hence decreasing the impulse. Light year is a unit of time, light, velocity, distance. The correct answer is option D. Light year is a unit of distance. The energy stored in a capacitor is directly proportional to voltage, current, charge, resistance. The correct answer is option A. The energy stored in a capacitor is directly proportional to voltage. Which of the following material has the highest electrical conductivity? Copper, glass, rubber, wood. The correct answer is option A. Copper material has the highest electrical conductivity. Which law states that the pressure of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its volume at constant temperature? Boyle's law, Charles' law, Dalton's law, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Boyle's law states that the pressure of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its volume at constant temperature. Which of the following is not a fundamental force in nature? Gravitational force, magnetic force, electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force. The correct answer is option B. Magnetic force is not a fundamental force in nature. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.